Next case for the reduction of carbonyl to CH2 is the Wolff-Kishner reduction. Reagent used in the case of Wolff-Kishner reduction is hydrazine and potassium hydroxide, means hydrazine in the presence of alkali. So let us see the mechanism for this case. We have here reactant is carbonyl compound, either aldehyde or ketone. And we know hydrazine is a reagent here. Lone pair present on nitrogen attacks on the carbonyl carbon and double bond shift to the oxygen. And this type of species formed is here, means O negative and NH2 is attached to the carbon and positive charge occupied on nitrogen because nitrogen provides its lone pair. Then this negative accept the hydrogen and lone pair get back to the nitrogen, and this type of species is formed here. After that, water molecule is removed, H from here and OH from here. So this type of species is formed, and then OH negative from the potassium hydroxide attacks on this hydrogen and this bond is shifted to the nitrogen. So water is removed and N becomes negative. This negative goes there and this double bond goes there, means carbon becomes negative. And this type of species is formed. After that, C negative accept the hydrogen from the water molecule and this has become CH, and this type of species is here. And then again OH negative accept the hydrogen and a bond is shifted to this, and this type of species is formed here. And this bond goes there and this goes there, means again carbon gets the negative charge and N2 is removed. And again this negative charge accept the hydrogen from the water molecule and CH2, CO converts to CH2 and OH negative is removed. Thank you.